Hey Broncos, let's discuss how to navigate Blackboard. In this video, I will show you how to upload assignments, update your email, join a class session in Blackboard Collaborate Ultra, participate in a discussion board, and much more. To begin, it's important for you to use Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox as your search engine and search for Bronx Community College and then click on the school's website. Once you get to the home page, you would look for quick links at the top right corner and click on it. On the drop-down menu, you will see different icons of platforms that you will need to get familiar with. But for this video, we will click on Blackboard. That will direct you to the Blackboard login page where you will use your CUNY First credentials to log in. That is your first name, last name, 2 numbers at login.cuny.edu, and your password. The 2 numbers are the last 2 numbers from your student Ample ID. On the Blackboard homepage, you will notice different tabs like My Courses, the online bookstore, My Organizations, and My Announcements. To purchase a book, just follow the link under the required books. Under My Organizations, you will find your eSpark training along other trainings you might need to complete. And under My Announcement, you will see all announcements for all your courses. Let's also click on the top right corner icon with your name. This is a quick access menu with different tools, and one of the first things you'll notice is that here you can also access your courses. In this menu, you can also access any course posts done in any of your courses by classmates or professors, see your course updates, view your grades and calendar with due dates and exam dates that have been added to any of your courses. This can help you as a reminder to stay on track, but let's click on the tools at the bottom of this menu. From the following options, you will click on Update Email. When updating your email on this page, please make sure you're updating it to your BCC student email because all important alerts from Blackboard and any of your courses will be sent to this email. Once you're done entering and re-entering the email, just click Submit. Now we're back to the Blackboard homepage and we will click on an available course from under My Courses to review some of the course features. When you click on a course, you will see a menu on the left side of your screen. Keep in mind that this menu can appear with different options or tabs for each of your courses. Let's review how to upload an assignment to a course from here. From the left side menu, you will click on Assignments, then click on the title of the assignment you wish to upload. When you open up the assignment, you might see the time and due date, points worth towards your grade, and possible description of what to do. You will also have the option to write submission where you can type your assignment, but usually you will need to upload from your computer. To upload your assignment, you will click on Browse My Computer and select your document from your files. For safety purposes, use Word document for your assignments unless otherwise specified. Once your assignment has been attached, you will click on Submit at the bottom right corner, and right away you will see a confirmation page as well as receive a confirmation email. Let's also review how to join a class session on Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. From the course menu that you wish to join the session for, click on Tools, and from the following menu, click on Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. A similar page to this will come up. The course room should be unlocked, and you can simply join a session by clicking on Course Room, or if your professor has scheduled individual class meetings, click on the correct one from the list. If you can't seem to find your class in Blackboard Collaborate Ultra, first check that you have joined the correct course room and class meeting, and if the issue persists, then email your professor immediately. Lastly, let's review how to respond to a discussion board in a course. Click on Discussion Board from the course menu, then select the topic or question you wish to respond. Click on Create Thread at the top of the page. Then, you will need to add a subject to your thread. Type your response and submit your post. And congratulations, just like that, you just created a thread. Now you're ready to join your courses on Blackboard. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, you can find us on the First Year Connection Virtual Lounge on Microsoft Teams. And make sure you give us a follow for more videos coming.